Here's the entrance to Tuttle Creek. And we're going to go right far up there, almost to the base of those mountains is where Tuttle Creek Campground is. And it's a large area up here on the slope, divided by Tuttle Creek going down the middle of it, dividing it into two different sections. One thing you have to watch for is these diagonal speed bumps. They will toss your kidneys back and forth, and if anything in your RV is not battened down and tight, it's gonna be flung from side to side in your RV. Here we go, Tuttle Creek Recreation Area.
Recording stopped. Video settings.
We'll go over here to the kiosk. Okay, it's $10 per night, $5 for seniors with your access pass. So $5 a night for developed BLM campground, pit toilets, water, trash. That ain't bad at all. Here's a really nice map of Tuttle Creek. Shows the creek going right down between the campgrounds here, and the campgrounds on both sides of the creek. This is a very, very, I think, beautiful place. There's somebody leaving behind us. We got our rules here. They have horse corrals here for people to use. It's a $10 dump cost here. $30 group site, $10 usual, $5 for seniors. It's open year-round with 83 campsites, 10 pull-through trailers, maximum RV length of 30 feet. It has no other RV hookups. It's a typical BLM campground. Limit is 14 days. So that is pretty awesome. Okay, let me get the girls together here. Everything put together, and let's go for a drive through Tuttle Creek. I've dumped my garbage on the way out. Okay. That gate there to your left crosses Tuttle Creek and goes over to the opposite side of the campgrounds. And that side has more of a view of the valley below. On this area going up here has a better view of the mountains. There's a camp host there. These are all really good sites. They're all level, large, big fire pit, campground table. Tell you, for $5 a night, it's tempting. I just might stay here a night too before I head on. They've got nice pit toilets, water. Decked out. An old van, trailer, surfboards. Wow, this place is busy. There's still other good sites here. That's a good site right there we passed. It's number 14, yeah. They have several pit toilets spaced out in both areas with water sources. Most all of them have trees of some type. Whoa, whoa. Guy give me the peace sign there. And it's still a bumpy road going up here, but I really love this RV place. This is one of my favorite BLM campgrounds going down 395. The other one would be Crowley Lakes, farther north of Bishop. It's like this, it's on a slope, but you're facing the 395 and you're looking over that at Crowley Lake. Yeah, this is quite the place. That dang sun, though. That's looking down at the Owens Valley. Below those rock formations in front of us is Lone Pine. If you guys like these drive-thrus, let me know. Speak up. The more I hear from my viewers, the more I know the kind of group I have watching my videos and what their interests might be in alignment with mine. So we're going to go down here and cross the river. Go on the other half. So I'd appreciate it if you guys give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you're really going to watch my other videos, or subscribe and review all the other videos I have, 300 some, of all our journeys since the 2018 when we got this RV and began our journeys. There's got to be more people out there than I have on my channel that like and enjoy what I do. I just haven't found them all. Well, I always knew I was a niche in a group. I'm not a redneck. I'm not a snake salesman or a snake oil salesman. I'm not those kind of people. I'm just somebody out enjoying his life and wanting to share it with other people. Let them know, hey, there's still stuff out here worth coming and enjoying before, say, the other half of society destroys it out of ignorance or just, I don't know. Okay, we're going to hang right here and cross over. Over in this section is where the horse corrals and stuff like that are. Horse corrals will be down to our left. We are going to hang a right here and go up to the upper section of this half. Campsites 29 to 60. Like I said, if you visit my YouTube homepage and look for my videos on 395 Sierras, BLM, you'll come across at least one video of us camping here, probably with my last two dogs, where we go down and explore Tuttle Creek and walk along it, just get to know where it goes and how big it is, and some of the better campsites along the way that has access to the creek itself. I am really tempted to stay here tonight. Really. You know what? I think I will. Heck, for $5 you can't go wrong. I see quite a few road treks. No Pleasure Ways. Yeah, just a casual drive through here. Everybody out here seems friendly. They're waving, smiling. They're all out here for the same reason, to enjoy nature and enjoy the peace, freedom. Just get the hell out of town. A lot of these places are already spoken for. People are out adventuring somewhere. I hope you guys don't mind coming along with me on this video. I was going to make it just a tour of this area, but I seem to be adding a lot of narrative. But hey, like I've always told you, this ain't no ordinary YouTube channel. So I make it as if you guys were here sitting beside me in the passenger seat. So with that in mind, I hope you'll subscribe and enjoy the other videos I have. Okay, we're gonna go down here through the gate to the lower section where the corrals are and such. I think more people that have generators camp on this side for some reason, which is fine with me. And we'll go down here. These people have a view of Owens Valley, and it's a lot flatter, the view they have over here. They're looking down valley. People leaving early in the morning. And we'll go down here. See, this Tuttle Creek BLM campground is pretty spacious. Sorry if the video is shaky. They got group sites down here on this side. I really don't know where the horse trails are, but there must be some. I never ever see anybody out here riding their horses though. Yeah, this is just a 5 minutes or less drive from the entrance to Alabama Hills. Okay. Now we're going to climb back out of here. Those if you're curious, they're wondering what we're doing. Well, I think what I'm going to do is go down to the dump site, dump the trash. Then I have to make a decision. Heading on, or am I going to just stay here and enjoy this weather? Enjoy just hanging out.